Hello everyone, this is a continuation part of this video, and in this video I will show you how you can really work can upload maybe music from your phone to this app called Filmora. Okay, you can also do the same things, the same method on Capcut, okay, and other editing software. Okay, so let's start. You make sure you're on your data so launching our app now. What we have to do now, we want to upload an audio. So you get, so whenever you come to Filmora, I hope you have watched my previous video. Go and watch my previous videos on introduction to Filmora so that you understand all the necessary steps that we have done. So you click on new project. Okay, click on new project. So automatically from the beginning, this will ask you to choose an image. Maybe you want to work with an image, or you want to work with videos, but I just want to work with images now. I want to work with images. Okay, let me choose these 4 images. Then you click on import. Click on import. Okay, so on doing that, click on import. So we want to upload an audio, maybe a musical background or any music that is on our phone. This one is on our phone, not on Filmora now. Okay, normally we have to come to this place and press audio. Okay, but that's not the first step to do. The first step is to know where the audio file, where it is located on your file manager. Okay, normally I normally saves on my audio file. You first save it somewhere so that where you can be where you can easily locate it. So you get, so I can save this. You see, I created a folder named my sound effects. Okay, or I should just go to this my song. I have almost all the audio file that I want to use here. Okay, so since I already knew the location, okay, when you've already knew the directory, so it is very easier to locate. So what you have to do now is click on audio. So I'm clicking on audio. It will still ask you, what are you coming to do here? So we have different type. We have music, we have sound effects, we have files, we have extract audio. This extract audio, maybe you have a video, you have a particular video on your phone, I want to use the audio or that video, so you can just use this function, extract video, or you can even record here. You can record on this video. Okay, so but we are not going there. You just click on music, the first option. Click on music, the first option, music. Okay, so it will show you this. We have different option now to show you this. Then you will now come to this place, import. Click on import. Okay, so on clicking on import, so you select your files so that it will navigate through the directory of your phone. Then you press import from file. Okay, import from file. So I said I've already saved the folder. You know the name that you have named the folder with. Okay, so looking for the name. The folder name is my song. Okay, you click on it. So once you click on it, you select or you select the particular one that want to import. For example, let me import these two, Broad T1 and Broad T2. Okay, So then you click on scan. Click on scan. Okay, so you can see two music files found. Then you click on OK. So how do you now bring it on? Because one thing about Filmora is that once you've imported it like that, it will still be hanging somewhere. So you need to search for it here. You see this search bar, get it. Okay, so you just type what's the name of that audio. Type the name T1. So you now search. When you search, it's bringing it out. Okay, so what you have to do is you press this where this you have this kind of love emoji, so that when you press that love emoji, what it does is that it will add that audio. You see that I've already added it. Let me remove the love emoji. So this love emoji, you click on it, it will add the audio file to your favorite. So since you've done that, that means this thing has been added to favorite. So you come here, this is the favorite. Okay, you will see all the audios here. You see now. Okay, everything is here. Alright, so if you want to use this audio now, what do you do? So you click on, let me use any of the audio, assuming this is the audio that we've imported, this one, epic cinematic. So you just okay, let's use the one that we have imported. Okay, this is the one that we have imported, brought T1. This is brought T1. Okay, then you click on the plus sign that is in front of it. That's how to use it. Okay, click on the plus sign. So once you click on the plus sign, the audio file will be imported immediately. Okay, so it has import, so you can just play it. So that's how it will be going, that's how it will be doing. So the music or the audio will be playing while this picture will be displaying. Okay, so you can now go and watch my previous video on Filmora. So that's when you will know. You can just add some additional things that you want your picture. For example, this pencil here, that is between the first picture and the second picture, the transition between them, the interconnection between them. Look at this interconnection that is between them, this connection. I want to show you this icon that looks like pencil. Okay, you can just click on it to know the kind of transition that exists between them. Okay, you can just select what do you want, what do you want to happen there between the two of them. Do you want them to page call? What's the kind of transition you want to use there? Or do you want them to fade away? Something like this. You can just select a particular one there. See now that between the first picture and the second picture, something will happen. I hope you are getting it. You can also do the same thing here. So that's a transition. You can even add animation to it. You can add animation to it. There are many here. You can use dissolve, different kinds of transition. Okay, so that is that. And when you are done, you can just say okay, follow more, or you come to this test, and click on follow for more. Okay, so once you come to this test, click on templates. If you watch my previous video, you see that I've explained all these things. Click on template. So you can use any particular template that is more preferable here. And I love using this. So click on the template thing. This is just like a template, but you have to write what you want to put there. Okay, then you use your hand to adjust it. It is very big. This place, I'm talking of this place, this box, you use your two hands like this to adjust it so that it will fit the screen. okay, so you can just press something like follow for more. Okay, and that follow for more, go to the animation. This is where I am. Animation, I want that follow for more too. What kind of animation do I want? I want this thing to rotate like this. Then you press, okay, it's as you can see like that. Okay, so that's how to add music. You want to add video to Filmora and Capcut. Capcut also, it's also synonymous to this process. So thanks for watching. Bye.